This is Limitless Knowledge podcast, episode 2, and the title for today is The Only Truth, Nature and Reality. That's what I want to talk about today. I'm your host, AJ. Now, take a moment, look around you. What do you see? Maybe your walls, the screen on your phone, the ceiling above you. But let me ask you something. How real is all these things you're seeing? I don't mean real in the form of you can touch it. I mean in the core existence. Does it really matter? Imagine you woke up and everything you know, government, laws, money, all disappeared overnight. Would the world stop? Would the sun still rise in the morning? Would the wind still blow? Or the ground beneath your feet? See, the only thing that's truly real, the only thing that exists is nature. And you can argue with it, you can doubt me, but you can say I'm not going to eat again for the rest of my life. You will starve to death. Nature doesn't care. Or you say you refuse to cover yourself up when it's raining. You can step outside and see how that works for you. But here is the real question. If the only thing real or truth is nature, why would we build our entire life on things that are not real? Let's break it down. We have been conditioned to believe in system created by humans, governments, currencies, social rules. But if we strip everything away, what is remaining? Think about this. If your house, your own house, happens to be destroyed by a storm, if a country collapses, what happens to the laws of that country? If money loses its value, what happens to the wealth you have? Everything man-made can disappear, but nature remains. So let me ask you once again, what are you building your life on? Are you chasing things that could be gone tomorrow? Are you putting energy into a system that doesn't actually exist beyond human agreement? Because that money exists today, or the dollar we're using exists today, is because we all agreed to use dollar. Let's reflect together on this thing. What in your life feels important but is actually man-made? It feels permanent but it's man-made. What is that in your life? Reflect on that question. Have you ever questioned the rules that you abide by every day? So here's the truth. To succeed, you must align your belief with what is real. Nature is the only thing that's objective. And if you understand that, you gain power. You stop wasting time chasing things that don't truly matter. And you start focusing on what does matter. Here's your challenge for today. Step outside. Look at the sky, the cloud, the trees, the ground beneath your feet. That's real. Everything else is not. Everything else is just the story we tell ourselves. In our next episode, we are going to dive deeper. We will talk about invisible ceilings that limit us, that we have to accept without even realizing. Ceilings that we have been programmed to accept without even knowing that they are ceilings.